Hello, all. The No Impact Week at the ADB is really a highlight for me, and that's for a couple of reasons. One, at the personal level, it allows us to take some actions that truly are win-win for oneself and for the environment that we live in. And the second is that ADB is not a small player in Asia. There are ripple effects from what ADB does with clients and also within our own campus. So for those reasons, I feel the No Impact Week, which has been gathering momentum, is a great event for us. Recently at the World Economic Forum, I noticed that the executive director of Oxfam, Winnie Byanyima, she made the commitment in the public platform that she was going to go vegetarian the next day. I was really warmed by that statement because a year ago I said I would do more vegetarian meals, and I have kept to that and may have overshot that. But I really want to go vegetarian fully in the coming year. Thank you and congratulations, and let's keep going on the No Impact Week going forward. Thank you.